Oh. Start it. Oh. You like it? Kevin, should he drive it? Oh, here it comes. Is that a car, guys? Car. Oh, here comes Chase. Get it, Chase. What are you going to do with it? Oh. Chase, you're coffee. Share it. Share it. Put it down, Chase. Put it down on the ground. Put it down. Put it down on the ground. Oh, there it goes. We might need 2 cars. Put it down. There it goes. Let's share it. Alright, they're going to end this.